The all-new 2026 Toyota Motorhome, a revolution in luxury travel. Designed for dreamers, explorers, and those who believe that home is not a place, but a feeling that moves with you. From the very first glance, its aerodynamic design captures attention and imagination. The front view displays a futuristic balance of strength and elegance, with Toyota's bold LED light signature glowing proudly across the sleek chrome grille. Each line of its sculpted body reflects precision and confidence. As the camera moves closer, sunlight glides smoothly over the platinum white surface, revealing the fine craftsmanship that defines Toyota's next generation of travel innovation. Step closer, and you can feel the sophistication radiating from every detail. The body design is more than style, it's a statement of purpose. Wide stance, smooth flow, and an elevated road presence make this motorhome not just a vehicle, but an experience in motion. The reflections on its glossy exterior mirror the world it's ready to explore. As the doors open, we step into the driver's cabin, the heart of the journey. The interior welcomes you with a sense of calm power. Plush leather seats wrap around you with precision comfort, designed to support long drives with effortless ease. The futuristic digital cockpit glows softly with intelligent displays that respond instantly to your touch. The panoramic windshield extends your vision, connecting the driver with the open road ahead. Every control, every curve of the dashboard, is crafted to make driving feel smooth, modern, and powerful. This is not just a cockpit, it's your command center on the open road. Transitioning deeper inside, the scene gently moves toward the bedroom area. Warm lighting fills the space, soft yet elegant. The bedroom of the 2026 Toyota Motorhome is designed like a luxury suite on wheels. Premium fabrics, detailed stitching, and a large panoramic window surround you with comfort. The atmosphere is peaceful, a perfect space to rest after a long adventure. Whether parked under a sky full of stars or beside a mountain road, the bedroom offers pure relaxation. Every detail is designed to bring the comfort of home wherever the road takes you. The visuals now glide toward the kitchen. Here, Toyota blends practicality with beauty. The kitchen layout is smart and efficient, with glossy surfaces, intelligent storage, and premium stainless steel appliances that shine under ambient LED lighting. The countertops are sleek, the cabinets open with a smooth motion, and every inch is optimized for comfort. Cooking on the move becomes an art form. Whether it's a quick coffee in the morning or a full meal at sunset, the kitchen transforms travel into a lifestyle. This is luxury that works beautifully, elegant, practical, and ready for every moment. Next, we move to the washroom, compact, refined, and brilliantly designed. The washroom of the Toyota Motorhome continues the story of elegance and innovation. Polished fixtures, a rainfall shower, and softly backlit mirrors reflect a touch of spa-like calmness. The surfaces are easy to clean, the lighting is relaxing, and the overall layout feels surprisingly spacious. Every inch is crafted to bring comfort without compromise, ensuring that even miles away from the city, you experience pure convenience and modern design. As the camera slowly pans back toward the cabin, the ambient lighting sets a warm tone. You see the steering area again, blending perfectly with the living space, a true symbol of how technology and comfort unite. The materials used throughout the interior are sustainable yet premium, showing Toyota's commitment to eco-friendly innovation. The silence inside the cabin tells a story of precision engineering, insulated, smooth, and refined for complete peace while traveling. Finally, as the camera moves outside, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome stands under a glowing sunset. Its reflective body gleams softly as golden rays dance across the surface. The lights come on one by one, creating a cinematic silhouette of luxury and power. This is not just transportation, it's a lifestyle defined by motion, comfort, and class. The Toyota Motorhome represents freedom without limits, where every road becomes a home, and every destination feels within reach. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome, freedom, comfort, and innovation in perfect harmony. Because your journey deserves nothing less than perfection. Drive beyond limits.